I'm Lorenzo, this is Swiper. Just a quick channel update. I've been doing a lot of shorts over the last 4 or 5 weeks. I haven't been doing the normal kind of 16:9, which is a kind of like a landscape view. So I'll be going back to that at some point, or mixing up and doing both. But for now, I had a question about where have I gone? I haven't gone anywhere. We're doing some shorts. You can also then feature this on my features selection on YouTube. Thanks for watching today. Really appreciate the ongoing support. Swiper? Swiper! He never listens.